If you have a good quality score, you'll notice that it's cheaper to run your advertising. They just solely focus on their ad copy. So you actually also have to be specific with your targeting. What about on your landing page? What about post checkout? What about your follow-up sequences, your upsells, your downsells?
All right, we're going to talk about if your ad quality score still matters in 2023. Your quality score is how a Google or a Bing, when you're running ads on their platforms, it's how they score your ads. It's basically scored on a scale of 1 to 10. There's a lot of factors that they look at to determine whether your ad should be shown above other people. We wanted to talk about if this stuff still matters because it's 2023 and quality score has been around for a while.
It does matter. If you have a good quality score, you'll notice that it's cheaper to run your advertising and you'll get more conversions. The big thing that people make a mistake on is they just solely focus on their ad copy and the targeting, but they don't focus on their website, the landing page, the experience that they're driving to those people who are getting or who are clicking on the ads. The other thing that they also don't focus up on is rotating up their ads. Just because certain text or images work right now for you, it doesn't mean that they're going to continually perform the same way in the future. You need to continually rotate things up, change it, and by it being a little bit more fresh, what you'll see is, at least what we're seeing, is you start getting better clicks over time, quality score still maintains really well, and it's just fresh versus just using the same old stale stuff for months.
Yep. So a couple things. I mean, with marketing, when it comes to quality score, you got to make sure you're picking the right keywords. Okay, that's kind of 101. If you're saying, hey, like, come buy dog food, and then on a landing page it says cat food, there's a mismatch over there, right? So it seems like a duh statement, but some people screw that up. And then you got to think about the copy, like the way you're talking about it. Like if you're speaking premium language and then on the...
Or let's actually go back. When Eric said dog food and then showing cat food or vice versa, where a lot of companies screw up is they have an ad for a nail and someone's looking for a nail with a hammer and they're showing nails on people's fingernails for like, hey, here's some press-on nails or whatnot. So you actually also have to be specific with your targeting. Is it Apple the food someone's looking for? Or are they looking for Apple the computer?
The key thing here is if you want to play the game well, you have to continue to optimize. That's all it really is at the end of the day.
Yeah, and in marketing, a lot of people get metrics from places like Google or SEO tool or whatever platform you're using, like Facebook ads. And people are like, oh, my metrics are really good there. Well, they're good there, but your marketing shouldn't stop. What about on your landing page? What about post checkout? What about your follow-up sequences, your upsells, your downsells? You can't just rely on, hey, my ad campaigns are running well. You got to optimize your whole funnel and the whole experience. And the funnel doesn't end with someone buying. It continually goes because people should try to continually buy from you. If you look at like companies like Amazon, they make the majority of their revenue from repeat purchases. It's not someone coming and be like, hey, I'm buying from Amazon. It's no, I bought from Amazon and every week I'm buying new stuff. We buy toilet paper from there, toothpaste from there, literally everything, baby lotion, shampoo. We buy all our essentials from Amazon. That's a great example of them getting a customer in once and then continually generating more and more revenue from them.
I remember when I was 24 years old, I had one of my first internet marketing jobs. I was working in an e-commerce store. I was running the ads. Again, we were selling lighting. Mind you, this was first month into my first internet marketing job. And I got into argument with the owner. And so the quality score on one of my ads was a 10. Okay. So I was like, look at the quality score. It's a 10. And he's like, did it drive any conversions? I was like, no. He's like, then it doesn't matter. But I was like, but the quality score is a 10. And so I was like, look at the click-through rate, look at the quality score. At the end of the day, what matters is it actually converting? You have to take that into account.
Yeah, and that's what people get wrong. Like they're optimizing for just one metric instead of really thinking about the customer and how to make money for a business. Marketing is not about getting people to your website or getting more followers. Marketing is about driving revenue and building brands, and the brands relate to or cause more revenue in the long run. And if you're not doing that with your marketing, then something's wrong.
And the other marketing thing we'll leave you with is marketing's job is to bring you to the point of sale. And if you're not bringing them to the point of sale, then you're stopping them along the way and you are actually screwing up the point of sale. That is it for today. Please don't forget to rate, review, and subscribe. Also hit us on YouTube as well. And we will talk to you later.
Now, if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'm here to answer them and help you out. If you enjoyed the video, like it, share it, tell people about it. Thank you very much.